Let's say this is a table, an object is placed here. Why it is here? Just we have to imagine. If there is only one force, mg, acting downward, then it has to move downward. Just listen the thing carefully. If only one force is acting, that is downward, then what will happen? It has to move down. But it is stationary here. It is kept here. It means what? It means a balancing force is acting on it. And that balancing force must be perpendicular to this, opposite to this force. If we remove the table here from here, the object will fall down. Means this force, balancing force, is acting on the object due to this surface of the table. I'm repeating the things, just try to understand. This is a table, means a plane, horizontal plane. An object is placed here. Suppose you are applying only mg force on it. If one force is acting on it, it means the object has to move down in the direction of force. But it is not moving. It means what? There must be a force which is balancing mg. And we can check it by removing the table. If we remove the table, the object will fall down. It means the table is exerting, means surface is exerting a force opposite to mg, which is balancing this object here. It means there is a force N that is equal to mg. This force is called normal reaction force, which is applied by the surface. Means the force applied by the surface on the object, the force applied by the surface on the object is called normal reaction force. The nature of this force is, it is always perpendicular to the surface. It is always perpendicular to the surface. It is of your use. आपको ध्यान रखना है कि this force is always perpendicular to the surface. Suppose you have a surface like this. This is the surface. An object is here. Suppose this is the object. The forces acting on this object is mg, downward, and the normal reaction force will act perpendicular to the surface, not horizontal. This is mg, and here it is n. It is not necessary that n must be equal to mg. I'm just writing note here. mg is always perpendicular to horizontal. Whatever the type of surface, it doesn't matter for mg. It always acts perpendicular to horizontal. But normal reaction force acts always perpendicular to the surface. Just make me clear. क्या इसको रिपीट करना है या आगे बढ़ना है? Anyone can tell me? Hello? तो बोलेगा नहीं. अब मुझे लगता है बात करनी पड़ेगी. ये दो चीजें आप याद रखेंगे. mg means gravitational force always acts perpendicular to the horizontal, but normal reaction force always acts perpendicular to the surface. Okay, see, I'm just erasing this. See the situation again. Here there are three forces acting on this. Here it is mv square upon r, and here it is mg, and here it is normal reaction force. I'm drawing the axis. This is the axis, x-axis, and here it is y-axis. Okay, mg and mv square r both are in along the axes. This is along x-axis and this is along y-axis. So there is no need to break the component of these two forces. We have to resolve the component of only this force. If this is theta, then this will be theta. I hope it is clear. If this is theta, then this will also be theta. And if this is theta, then component of this n along this is n cos theta.
तो दोबारा बता रहे हो
क्या चीज बेटा? इस डायग्राम को फिर से ड्रॉ.
थीटा के बारे में.
Okay, see. Suppose this is a plane. A car is moving in this direction. Here it is car. अब बैक से देख रहे हो कार को. Forces are on this. This is mg. And here it is centrifugal force. And it is the normal reaction force. These are the three forces acting on it. This is mv square upon r. This is mg. The horizontal. Now see, if we draw this line, and here we extend this line, this is the angle theta. अब बताइए क्लियर है या नहीं?
Yes, sir.